I just brought it back to show you the third algorithm. In this case, you see that orange, green and white, and this orange, green and white is here, but white is now facing the bottom. It is not facing you, it is not facing the right, it is rather facing the bottom. If this bottom, if it faces, you are going to use the third algorithm, and this third algorithm is slightly tough, I mean initially to start with. So you need to move this all the way here and then bring it here. So how you do it? You do an R prime and then you do D2. D2 or D-2 is the same. So it's like 1, 2. You do D2. And if you do it as D dash, this is again D dash 2. See, either way you bring it to facing here and then you have to move this up R and then D. So this is not going to solve this, but it will actually bring it to the next algorithm which you have already done familiar with. Okay, so again, if you do this, it is like you are facing it to the, it's to the right. So what you do is you do the R prime, D prime, R, D, and that will solve the problem. Okay, again, one more time I will repeat. This is now facing to the bottom. What you do is you do an R prime, D2, R, D. Now it is to the right. R prime, D prime, R, D. So this is solved the problem. Now you see that the entire layer is solved. So this means your first layer is solved. Now we have to look at the next layer. So we will invert the cube. Okay. So now the cube is the place where we want it to be. Yellow on the top, white on the bottom, and orange facing you. This is the position that we will continue, and then we will go from here. Okay. Thank you.